Standard 2nd, Subject English, Lesson number 2.2, Activity Time, Part 2. Hello children, welcome back to our English class. As I told you earlier that we are gonna have more fun in the Part 2 of this chapter, Activity Time. So let's get started. Children, let me tell you, you will be learning as well as having a lot of fun in thinking about all the things that I will be asking you. Yes, it is riddle time. You will have to guess, who am I? Children, you will be guessing the following things as I describe it to you. Put on your thinking caps and let's get started. I have 2 hands, but I can't clap. Who am I? Can you guess, children? It has hands, but no clapping. If you are thinking, think hard. If I say it is a clock, because clock has 2 hands. But have you seen a clock clapping? No. The answer is a clock. Yes, a clock has 2 hands to show us the time, but it cannot clap. The answer to this who am I is a clock. I fly without wings and have a long tail. Who am I? What do you think, children? What can it be? Think. It has a tail. It doesn't have wings, but still it's flying. You all must be knowing the answer till now. Yes, it is a kite. Kite has a tail. Tail is a string that we tie to the kite when we fly it. And it doesn't have wings, but it still flies high in the sky. Correct? I have a bushy tail and I like to eat nuts. Who am I? What can it be? Think, children. What can it be that has a bushy tail and likes to eat nuts? Let me give you a hint. It is found on the trees. Yes, it is a very cute animal. Yes, one more hint for you. Can you guess it now? Yes, if you guessed a squirrel, it is correct. It is a squirrel. Are you enjoying, children? Yes, I think so. You must be. I'm having fun too. Okay, the next thing is, I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? Let me give you a hint again. This is an animal and you all must have seen this. It has big ears, long tusks and a long nose that is called a trunk. I've made it very easy for you to guess it. Yes, it is an elephant. I have 2 horns and 4 legs. I work on the farm. Who am I? Let's think, children. Work on the farm. The animal that works on the farm. I think so. You guessed it right. It is a bullock. I have some more for you. Let's go. What is bright orange, green on top and sounds like parrot? Who am I? Sounds like parrot, orange in color. If you are guessing it, it is a carrot. Yes, a carrot is orange and green on top. One more for you. I have wings, but I am not a bird. I am small, colorful and beautiful. You see me in gardens and fields and farms. I used to be a caterpillar. The answer is right in front of you. It is a butterfly. You must have all seen a butterfly. Beautiful, colorful butterfly sitting on different flowers. It is very beautiful to see. It is the beautiful sight of nature. I feel very happy when I see a butterfly. And I think so it must be same with you. I think children, you all had a good time today learning about the things which I asked you by giving hints. I also had fun. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Bye. Take care. Thank you.